around for them, Drew. Woo! He's having fun getting dizzy. Spin as fast as you can. Faster, 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 faster. Drew, how do you feel? How do you feel? Can you stand up? Are you dizzy? Whoa, watch your sister. Poor baby Riley doesn't know what's going on. Huh, you're about to topple over yourself, little lady. Let me push you back.
Whoa.
Rylan. Drew fell over. Rylan. Rylan. Hey, big girl. Hey, big girl. Hey, big girl. Uh-oh. I see a head dive coming. How are you over there?
How did I just spin around in a circle?
Spin around in a circle.
Mommy?
Yeah?
I don't want to spin around.
Tell me.
No, Mommy. It's a cowboy. Could you please go away?
Please